Buongiorno world. Hello. Good morning everybody. Hello everyone. And this is your annoying Ellen. And welcome back to my channel. And for today's video guys, I am going to do a second time mukbang in Rome, where I was there last March 3 and 4, and I already did a couple of vlogs there. This is episode 4, and I know it's nonsense, and I'm just doing some vlogs here, and I am so eager to share you guys this scrumptious, juicy, crispy chicken joy, the best all over the world for me. And Jollibee is originated from the Philippines. Mabuhay. Wow. So guys, if you are new on my channel, thank you so much for subscribing me, and of course Team Bully, mega shout out to you. Lots of love, and especially to dear Shana, thank you so much, and Lovemers and mine, mega shout out, and to Ellen Traveling Kitchen, and all over my friends all over the world, mega shout out, and mega love shout out to 1970s Tiger. Okay, and yes guys, this is my day 2 in Roma, and after I had visited the Vatican City for about I spent my time there for 3 hours, and I supposed to go to Michelangelo, the square of Michelangelo, where I wanted to show you, but unfortunately I don't have time, and I have to catch my train. That was around 3 o'clock and 15 in the afternoon in the Rome time last time, and I don't have a choice guys. I have to eat lunch before my train. So the Vatican Museum and the Vatican City is just at the Octaviano Street in Rome, Italy, and before passing my hotel, I have to pass by the Jollibee. So here I am again. I am doing my second mukbang, and of course my favorite is just chicken joy, and I am so happy that they gave me a leg part, and the other one was thigh. And this time I am considered, what I'm trying to say is I'm able to order in one package with the rice and then the gravy. So 1 rice, 1 gravy, and 2 chicken, and with this large Coke. So it was so good, and the part of the thigh is a little bit dry, so I prefer to eat the leg part because the leg part is juicy. So I'm just gonna eat that before this digging in this thigh. And so for further vlogging, last week in Rome, Italy, is I'm already show you yesterday the Vatican church, I mean the St. Peter's square, the dome, and then the Pieta, La Cappella di Pieta of the famous Renaissance artist, the masterpiece of Michelangelo Buonarroti, as we pronounce in Italian. And it's just shame that the Vatican Museum was closed, so where we can see the masterpiece of himself as well, Michelangelo, where we can see the God with this male. They are all naked, and then they just pointing their fingers. Very famous in the history of the Italy and to all over the world. And Mona Lisa is located in France, in Louvre Museum. I was there last 2015 something. So, okay. And walking to my hotel, it takes about 35 minutes. So it's kind of a bit healthy, and I was enjoying myself alone after my Philippine passport renewal, my appointment last March 3 in Embassy of the Philippines in Roma. And after I had eaten this scrumptious chicken joy, I was so happy because I able to shop in the Philippine store. So I bought some mango, green mango and yellow mango. The yellow mango costs about 1,500 pesos per kilo, and then the green mango, it was 4 pieces, and yeah, it's the same story, 1,500 pesos. So I had that, and then I have pinakurat, of course. I was so happy, even it was small. And I had also a kimchi, two cans of kimchi, and soy sauce. And I bought also a dried fish. Well, not really the dried pusit or the daing, but it was bulinaw. I don't know what to say in Tagalog. Dilis bulinaw, because that was what we called in Bisaya, bulinaw. And I will make vlog for that, for my salads bulinaw in the future if I have time, because currently I'm so busy right now. And lockdown again here in Italy. So yes, most of my vlog for upcoming vlog is a cooking vlog, but still I'm able to manage to film my travel last week and then this end of this weekend here in Italy. So I was so happy in the Philippine stores, and then I met a couple of Filipinos, and then they sell lots of products from the Philippines. And yeah, but it's kind of a bit expensive. And I have Oishi, if you are a junk food lover, Oishi. I have Chippy, and I have couple of nori as well. I mean the sushi wrapper, I have that as well. And I have ketchup. I buy ketchup. And what more I bought? I can't remember much. Oh yeah, I also bought a lumpiang wrapper. Oh, that was so good, so good. I was so happy. And what more I bought aside from that? Oh yes, I had also a shopping, but it's a window shopping because Italy is well known for the world fashion all over the world. But I did not buy nothing. I prefer to buy food and then save some cash for my allowance in my travel. So mas maigi na mag-save tayo para makapadala tayo ng pera sa ating anak, di ba? Oh, so di ba? So I was so happy. Nakasave ako. Magtatagalog na lang ako, guys, ha, kasi baka manood yung asawa ko. Ano ba yan? Nagpadala pala. Mahuli pa ako. So magtagalog na lang ako. And then after that, tawag nito, nakapagpadala ako at na-surprise birthday party namin ang aking pamangkin, 18th birthday. So ayun, nag-sponsor si tita niya ako, Ate Ellen, ng cake. Tapos yung cake mayroong yung famous ngayon na sikat sa nag-virals na mga cake na may laman na pera sa loob, yung hugot-hugot, pero lang yun, 1,000 pesos. Pero yes, 18th birthday. So sino ang hindi happy, 'di ba, sa gift na yan? And okay, for further what I try to say is, yes, as you can see, almost over. Almost finished na yung aking gravy kasi napakasarap talaga ng gravy sa Jollibee. I wanted to try to replicate that as well, but let's see if carry ng aking powers, because what I already did was making a fresh homemade bagoong. Nasa ref pa, hindi ko pa na-vlog kasi hindi pa ata siya masyadong yung ripen, preserve. So, titingnan ko lang. But my mother said that I supposed to put that and chill outside, not inside the fridge, but I'm afraid that baka mapanis o ma-spoiled. So, okay. So, ayun na guys. Almost done ang aking chicken. Ubos na rin, pati ang rice ko. But the first vlog I made, I had 3 chicken, but apparently I did not able to finish. So what I did is I gave to the lady Begga outside in the Jollibee in Rome. So I'm so happy. And that's it guys. I'm done with my recording here kasi medyo na yung boses ko, and I have to go back to linis pa yung aking work dito sa Italy guys. Cleaning lang pero very happy. So I'm so happy guys. So guys, if you're new guys and if you already subscribed, many thanks, many blessings to all of you, and enjoy my TikTok spoiler. Thank you so much. Mega love to everybody. I love you guys. Shout out to Team Bully, of course. Bye bye.
TikTok, I want to do a challenge. I want you to take your 5 favorite pictures and post them on here. Now everyone who's watching can pick their favorite one in the comments. 1 through 5, pick your favorite and let's get it.